Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video presentation, I will discuss the topic, concept of andragogy in education, meaning, principles, and competencies of self-directed learning. Let us first try to understand what is andragogy. Andragogy, a term coined by Malcolm Knowles in the 1960s, refers to the theory and practice of adult education. This concept stands in contrast to pedagogy, which is centered on the education of children. Andragogy recognizes that adult learners possess unique characteristics, experiences, and motivations that require a distinct approach to education. Understanding the meaning of andragogy involves exploring its key principles and how they shape the educational experience for adults. Key principles of andragogy. 1. Self-concept. Adults have a self-concept that emphasizes their capacity to take responsibility for their own lives and decisions. In andragogy, this principle implies that adults prefer to be treated as self-directed individuals capable of making choices in their learning journey. 2. Experience. Adults bring a wealth of experiences to the learning environment. Andragogy recognizes the importance of utilizing these experiences as a valuable resource for learning. Adult learners can draw upon their varied life experiences to enrich their understanding of new concepts. 3. Readiness to learn. Adult learners are more receptive to learning when they perceive the content as immediately applicable to their lives. Andragogy emphasizes the importance of aligning learning objectives with the practical needs and goals of the learners, fostering a sense of readiness and motivation. 4. Orientation to learning. Adults are motivated to learn subjects that have a direct relevance to their job or personal life. In andragogy, the orientation to learning involves making the content meaningful and applicable, ensuring that adults see the immediate relevance of what they are studying. 5. Motivation. Motivation in adult learning is largely driven by internal factors such as personal growth, career advancement, or a desire for self-improvement. Andragogy recognizes the importance of tapping into these intrinsic motivations to enhance the learning experience. Examples of andragogy in practice. 1. Professional development workshops. In a professional development workshop for educators, the principles of andragogy can be applied by involving participants in setting their learning goals. The workshop may encourage collaborative discussions, drawing on the varied experiences of the adult learners to create a more engaging and relevant learning environment. 2. Online courses for career enhancement. An online course designed for adult learners seeking career advancement can incorporate andragogical principles by providing a flexible and self-directed learning experience. Adults can choose the pace of their learning, draw on their professional experiences, and apply the acquired knowledge directly to their work context. 3. Community college programs for adult learners. Community college programs catering to adult learners often apply andragogical principles. Courses may be structured to allow for collaborative learning, recognizing the wealth of experiences adults bring to the classroom. Additionally, these programs may offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate the diverse responsibilities of adult students. Principles of andragogy. 1. Self-concept. Adults have a self-concept that includes a desire to take responsibility for their own lives. In andragogy, this principle suggests that adult learners prefer to be seen and treated as capable of making independent decisions. 2. Experience. Adults possess a rich reservoir of experiences that serves as a valuable resource for learning. Andragogy recognizes the importance of tapping into these experiences and integrating them into the learning process. 3. Readiness to learn. Adults are more ready to learn when they perceive a direct applicability to their lives. Andragogy principles suggest that adult learners are motivated when they see the immediate relevance of the content to their personal or professional goals. 4. Orientation to learning. Adults are motivated to learn subjects that have immediate relevance to their job or personal life. Andragogy emphasizes aligning learning objectives with real-life applications, ensuring that the content is practical and applicable. 5. Motivation. Adults are motivated to learn by internal factors, such as a desire for self-improvement or career advancement. In andragogy, motivation is seen as a key driver, and educators should tap into learners' intrinsic motivations. Competencies of self-directed learning. 1. Goal setting. Self-directed adult learners are adept at setting clear, achievable goals for their learning journey. They articulate what they want to achieve and create a roadmap to reach those objectives. 2. Time management. Competent self-directed learners in Andragogy possess effective time management skills. They prioritize tasks, allocate time efficiently, and balance their learning pursuits with other responsibilities. 3. Resourcefulness. Self-directed learners are resourceful in seeking out information and learning materials independently. They utilize various resources, such as books, online courses, and mentors, to enhance their knowledge. 4. Reflection. Reflective practice is a hallmark of self-directed learning. Competent adult learners critically assess their progress, identify areas for improvement, and adapt their learning strategies accordingly. 5. Initiative. Self-directed learners take the initiative to identify learning opportunities and actively engage in the learning process. They are proactive in pursuing knowledge and skills aligned with their personal or professional objectives. 6. Self-discipline. Maintaining self-discipline is crucial for effective self-directed learning. Adult learners in Andragogy exhibit the ability to stay focused, resist distractions, and persevere through challenges. Conclusion. The concept of Andragogy recognizes the unique characteristics of adult learners and provides a framework for education that is tailored to their needs. By incorporating principles such as self-concept, experience, and motivation, and fostering competencies in self-directed learning, Andragogy promotes a more effective and meaningful educational experience for adult learners. This approach acknowledges that adults are active participants in their learning journey and encourages them to take ownership of their educational pursuits. Thank you everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shokeen Bilal.